Ever wondered why your legs and joints feel puffy, aching, or stiff? Today, we're revealing 7 collagen-rich foods proven to reduce swelling and revive mobility, so you can say goodbye to discomfort and hello to stronger, healthier joints. Bone broth is more than just a comforting, warm drink. It is a natural elixir packed with nutrients your joints are begging for. When bones are simmered slowly over time, they release collagen, amino acids, glucosamine, and chondroitin, each one a vital component for restoring joint function and reducing inflammation. These compounds help rebuild cartilage, cushion joints, and even improve skin elasticity, making bone broth a powerful choice for people struggling with swelling in the legs or stiffness in the joints. Sip this slow, simmered magic to rebuild your joints from the inside out. Whether enjoyed on its own or used as a base in soups and stews, bone broth provides the nutritional foundation to support strong, flexible, and pain-free joints. Do not throw away that chicken skin. Often overlooked, these parts of the chicken, especially the wings and feet, are loaded with type 2 collagen, the specific form of collagen that supports joint health, cartilage repair, and reduced inflammation. This type of collagen plays a crucial role in managing symptoms of arthritis, increasing mobility, and protecting against the wear and tear that comes with aging. Cooking methods matter. Roasting chicken wings until golden or slow cooking chicken feet for broth helps extract the maximum collagen. For a mouth-watering visual, use a close-up shot of crispy golden chicken skin glistening under warm lighting, hinting at its surprising health benefits. Those chicken wings? Not just delicious, they're joint-healing superheroes. By incorporating these flavorful parts of the chicken into your meals, you are doing more than satisfying your taste buds. You are actively nourishing your joints and reducing discomfort. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel offer one of the most effective natural sources of marine collagen, a form of collagen that is especially bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs and uses it quickly. But the real secret lies in the skin of these fish. Rich in collagen and nutrients, the skin helps regenerate joint tissue and strengthen cartilage. In addition, fatty fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are powerful anti-inflammatory agents that ease joint stiffness, reduce swelling, and improve overall joint flexibility. Flip over that salmon. Its skin is your secret weapon against swelling. Incorporating fatty fish into your weekly diet not only boosts your collagen intake, but also supports long-term joint health and mobility with its inflammation-fighting nutrients. Egg whites and dairy products like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and kefir are rich in the amino acids proline and glycine, which are 2 of the most essential building blocks for your body to naturally produce collagen. While they may not contain collagen directly, these foods fuel your body's own collagen production process, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich fruits. Egg whites can easily be added to omelets or smoothies, while dairy makes an ideal base for breakfast or snack recipes. Use visuals like egg whites being poured into a blender or creamy yogurt swirled into a bowl with fresh berries. Crack into collagen. Start your day with egg whites for joint repair. For those looking to boost collagen naturally and without fuss, egg whites and dairy are both accessible and effective additions to your daily diet that promote stronger joints and reduced inflammation. When it comes to collagen production, vitamin C is non-negotiable, and citrus fruits and berries are some of the richest natural sources available. Oranges, lemons, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries do more than brighten your plate. They activate enzymes that help your body produce collagen effectively. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply cannot form or store collagen properly. On top of this, these fruits are loaded with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and chronic inflammation, both of which are enemies of healthy joints. Visually, you can show a cascade of colorful berries splashing into a bowl or citrus slices falling into water. It perfectly frames the hook. Bright, juicy berries are not just tasty, they fuel collagen growth. Adding a handful of berries or a squeeze of lemon to your meals daily can significantly support collagen formation, reduce swelling, and keep your joints supple and strong. Garlic is not just a culinary staple, it is a collagen protector. Packed with sulfur-containing compounds like taurine and lipoic acid, garlic plays a vital role in preventing the breakdown of collagen, while also helping to rebuild damaged tissues. Sulfur-rich vegetables such as onions, leeks, broccoli, and cabbage also contribute by strengthening the collagen matrix within your joints. For a compelling visual, show a garlic bulb being crushed with a knife or minced and sizzling in a pan. This image matches the message. A clove a day keeps swelling away. Garlic, the collagen guardian. Incorporating these pungent powerhouses into your meals may be one of the simplest and most flavorful ways to preserve collagen, reduce inflammation, and protect joint mobility over time. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax are compact powerhouses of zinc, copper, and amino acids, all essential for collagen repair and synthesis. These minerals act as enzymatic cofactors that support your body's ability to regenerate collagen, especially after tissue stress or inflammation. Oysters, one of the richest sources of zinc in the natural world, elevate collagen support to another level. Zinc not only boosts the immune system, but also plays a direct role in wound healing and collagen regeneration in joints and connective tissues. Snack smart with nuts or oysters and supercharge your joint recovery. Whether you are reaching for a midday snack or preparing a seafood dinner, these foods are subtle but potent allies in your fight against joint stiffness, swelling, and long-term wear. So here they are, 7 powerful foods to help you beat swelling, boost collagen, and revitalize your legs and joints. Try adding one each day and feel the difference. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health hacks.